and welcome to Maya's Table, where you find God and gourmet. I'm Andrus-Price, and today I'm going to show you a very quick recipe for tzatziki. So you want to start with Greek yogurt, the good kind that is really nice and thick. 2 cups of that. This is a 32-ounce container. So the easy part is I'm just going to gauge half. And there you go, I have my 2 cups. And I'm going to put in, you can put in normal salt, but I do a blend of salt. So you can use your favorite seasoned salt, or you can just use maybe some table salt. Or I like, if you're just gonna use plain salt, I like to use Himalayan salt. That's the pink salt. It has a lot more nutrients for you. So I'm gonna put that in there. And then some fresh dill. Oh my goodness. I went to the farmer's market. Actually, this dill is several weeks old. I can't believe that it's lasted this long in my refrigerator. I'm so thrilled that it has. So I'm gonna put, I would call that a good heaping tablespoon. I wish you could smell that. It's so good. And traditionally, tzatziki calls for some mint, but I don't have any. So I'm going to use what I have. I have some lemon balm. I have 2 little leaves of that. And then I picked some beautiful, fresh basil. So it will be a little different, but it'll still be delicious. And so I'm just gonna mix that together. I also have a whole cucumber, and I just, I like to make everything look nice, so I stripped off just parts of the green so it had a nice 2-tone color, and I grated it, and I put about a teaspoon of salt in it, and I let all the water come out. So I squeezed out all the water. So I'm just gonna add this together. You wanna make sure that you squeeze out all the water because you do not want a runny tzatziki sauce. So just mix this together. Look at that. And so personally, I like it with the green. Some people would just want to have it pure white, the same as the yogurt. So if you want, you can just peel the whole skin off of the cucumber, and then it won't have this green in it. But again, I like just the contrast. I think it makes it look better. Okay, so guess what? It's taste time, and I'm gonna taste it. That's so good. And I have some spanakopita or spanakopita. I'm not sure how you say it, probably the latter. There's the tzatziki sauce that's gonna go on the side of that.